Where is the best place to set up your business? That depends on the specific nature of your business project. Find out what location factors are important for you. Are passing customers important to your business, or is close proximity to suppliers and partners better? What about the local competitive landscape? Do you need easy access to your premises? Do the building, the floor plan layout, the cost and the surrounding environment match up with your plans? Before you decide, make sure you know what structural alterations may be necessary to run your business or meet either government or legal requirements. Find out about any building regulations that may affect your plans. You will also need to know about public health rules and food legislation in relation to business premises and commercial kitchens. Please note, the City of Munich provides a point of single contact, or PSC, as the first port of call for corporate services. Everything you need to know about industry centres, startup centres, co-working spaces and business centres. Munich's industry centres are ideal for small and medium-sized craft firms, industrial businesses and wholesalers. They offer long-term rental contracts at permanently low rates. Startup centres provide flexible office, laboratory and workshop space at attractive rents. These centres include basic technical fittings, offer advice and can put you in touch with sources of capital and research and development organisations. One example is the Munich Technology Centre, or MTZ. Co-working spaces and business centres have fully furnished and appointed offices, extremely flexible rental arrangements, meeting and seminar rooms, and various add-on services that can be booked when you need them. Many self-employed persons start out by working from home. To be on the safe side, you should first notify your landlord. You will also need to contact the Munich Housing and Migration Office to check whether your home can be used for commercial purposes and whether you will need an approval. Okay, got that?